Remember 10 years from now when we're all the jetpacks flying around the earth?
How can we remember that? That's 10 years in the future.
And you!
Apparently in the future you have a thing with the jetpack. That's awesome. Put a pencil in his hand. It's okay. There you go.
Man, this just feels right. The news team is back.
Ron, Brian, Rick, me, and Baxter.
That old man is so little and hairy.
Hey, Ron, who's driving? Oh, it's okay. It's on cruise control. Who wants some chimichangas? Best thing I ever did was install this deep fryer in the Bago.
Ron, why do you have this bag of bowling balls in this terrarium filled with scorpions?
It's a long, crazy story. Hey, Ron, cruise control just regulates speed. It doesn't steer. Come again?